Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to prepare and use Lottie animations in Flutterflow, step by step. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand what a Lottie animation actually is. Lottie is a lightweight animation format that lets you use high-quality, scalable animations inside your apps and websites. It's based on JSON files, which contain motion and timing data, not video or GIF frames. That means your animations will stay super crisp at any size, load very quickly, and even support transparency. You can also make them loop, reverse, or trigger on user interaction, all while keeping your app performance smooth. All right, now let's add a Lottie animation to our Flutterflow project. In my example, I'm going to replace the static windmill image with an animated version. Go to your widget tree, search for Lottie animation, and drag it inside your stack parent widget, right where the windmill image is. Now it's time to prepare our animation before adding it to Flutterflow. I've already designed all my windmill elements in Adobe Illustrator, with each piece, like the blades and base, placed on separate canvases. Then, I exported each one as a PNG file. Next, I'll import all those PNGs into Adobe After Effects to create the actual animation. Try to keep your animation short, ideally around 12 frames, to make sure it runs smoothly inside Flutterflow. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export it. This step is really important if you want to keep your transparent background. In After Effects, go to your export settings and select PNG sequence. Under Depth, choose RGB plus Alpha. This ensures the transparency is preserved. Then pick a save location and export your animation. Now you'll have a folder full of PNG images that make up your animation, each frame saved separately, and all with transparent backgrounds. Now let's convert that PNG sequence into an actual Lottie file. Open your browser and go to Media Studio.com, or any reliable PNG to Lottie converter. Upload your PNG sequence, adjust the pixel size to match your animation's dimensions, and double-check the frame rate. Once everything looks good, press Convert. And congrats, you now have a JSON Lottie file. Head back to Flutterflow, click on the Lottie widget, and under Asset, upload your new JSON file. Once it's uploaded, delete your old static windmill image. In the Properties panel, you'll see options like Loop, Play Once, or Boomerang. In my case, I want the animation to play only when triggered, not automatically. So I'll go ahead and uncheck the Auto Animate option. This way, the animation will stay still until we trigger it with an action. For example, when a user taps a button. Go to the Actions panel, click Add Action and choose On Tap. From the Action Type menu, select Animation right arrow Lottieanimation. Now pick which animation you want to trigger, but if you've got multiple Lottie animations, I highly recommend renaming each one so you can easily tell them apart later. Once you've selected your animation, click Save, and that's it, it's ready to go. Now comes the fun part, let's test it out. Run your project, and when you tap the trigger, whether it's a button or an icon, you should see your Lottie animation come to life. Looks great, right? You've just added a smooth, lightweight, and fully interactive animation to your Flutterflow app. And that's it for this tutorial. You've learned how to prepare a Lottie animation from Illustrator and After Effects.